Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add Anchor to your website in Wix. I will show you multiple ways how you can use Anchor, and after watching this video you will know how to actually use it. So let's start. The first thing what we need to do is just go here to add, click on menu right here, and you're gonna see it here, Anchors, and you just want to click on it, and here you got an anchor. The next thing that you can do is just simply choose where you want to have an anchor, right? Let's see that I want to have it here on now playing. So, okay. Now we have the anchor one here. What you want to do is just simply, you can anchor your buttons, you can anchor simply your pages in menu. So let's just click here on buy tickets. What you want to do is just simply click linked and choose an anchor. And which page I want to home, and which anchor on this page, anchor 1. Click done. You can also rename the anchor if you want to. Also, what you can do is just simply go on menus and pages, and I got the bar snag here, or about, and I can simply add a link, anchor 1, done. And it will automatically create me a page to the menu, and let's just name it, I don't know, gallery, and let me show you done. Now I will preview the website, and I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. So as you can see, let's see, so when I'm going to click on a button, I will be automatically moved here. When I'm going to click the gallery again, I'm going to automatically add it to this anchor right here. So this is how you can do it. It also works for mobile. See, it's working perfectly. So you just want to go back to editor, and this is how you can simply do it. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. As I mentioned, you can also rename the anchor right here. Rename. And name it like gallery, so it's everything is easily to find. Then you can go to settings here, and it's all the settings that you can have. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works, and yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.